Cassowary. If you think dinosaurs have become extinct and can no longer be found in modern times, you are wrong. With its exotic color and body as tall as an adult, the cassowary deserves to be called a modern dinosaur. Not only giant, this bird is also labeled as the most dangerous bird in the world with its sharp claws and powerful kicks. There are 3 surviving species of cassowary. The cassowary has 3 species, namely the double-wrestled cassowary or the South Cassowary, Southern Cassowary, the single-whaaled cassowary or the North Cassowary, Northern Cassowary, and the dwarf cassowary. The dwarf cassowary is one of Indonesia's endemic animals, which can be found in the forests of Papua. One other species, the pygmy cassowary, has long been extinct and is thought to have lived in an ice age. The fossils were found on the Australian mainland. It has an attractive and exotic color. This coloration only appears after the cassowary child reaches the age of 2 to 4 years. Newly hatched, cassowary cubs are cream in color with black stripes, then turn brown when they are 5 months old. They are among the largest birds in the world. The southern cassowary is the 3rd tallest and 2nd heaviest bird in the world after the ostrich and emu. The southern cassowary can be between 150 and 180 cm tall. The female south cassowary weighs an average of 58.5 kilograms, while the males are around 29-30 for JT. Some female south cassowaries can even reach 2 meters in height. It has 12 centimeters long claws. Cassowaries have 3 toes on each foot and each is equipped with sharp claws. The claw in the middle finger can be up to 12 centimeters long. Incubating and raising the young is the job of the male. The male will incubate the eggs for 50-52 days and remain in the nest for 9 months to raise his young. The male will incubate the eggs for 50-52 days and remain in the nest for 9 months to raise his young. The function of the horn is still mysterious. Able to communicate with low-frequency sound. Referred to as the most dangerous bird in the world. Not only its sharp claws, the strength of cassowary legs can cause fatal injuries. With their feet, they can run as fast as 50 kilometers per hour and jump as high as 1.5 meters. The cassowary is a shy and territorial animal. In the wild, they tend to avoid humans. When approached, they will behave aggressively like wild animals in general. Cassowary attacks are mostly caused by contact with humans. They are endangered.